Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through how to enable enhanced safe browsing in Google Chrome. This feature is incredibly useful if you want stronger protection against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. By turning it on, Chrome will be able to detect threats faster and keep your browsing experience much safer. Let's get started. The first step is to open Google Chrome on your device. Once it's open, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This is Chrome's main menu button. Tap or click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, you'll want to choose Settings. You'll be taken to Chrome's main settings page, where you can manage everything from your appearance to your privacy preferences. For today, we're heading straight into the privacy section. Next, find the privacy and security option in the sidebar or list. This is where Chrome places all the important tools to keep your browsing safe and private. Go ahead and tap it, and you'll see different features related to your online security. Now, look for Safe Browsing. Once you tap on it, you'll be shown different levels of protection. By default, Chrome might already have standard protection turned on. But to boost your safety, you want to select Enhanced Protection. When you choose Enhanced Protection, Chrome will give you a quick summary of what that means. With this setting on, Chrome will automatically check websites, downloads, and even extensions against Google's constantly updated security database in real time. It will also warn you earlier if your email or password gets exposed in a data breach. Simply select the Enhanced Protection option, and Google Chrome will apply the change right away. You don't need to restart the browser, and it will begin protecting you instantly. That's it. You've successfully enabled enhanced safe browsing in Google Chrome. From now on, you'll have stronger protection against harmful content while browsing the web. Thanks for watching.